Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious ramen noodle burrito. This unique dish combines the comfort of ramen with the convenience of a burrito. First, gather all your ingredients. You will need 1 package of instant ramen, 1 large tortilla, and any fillings you desire like cooked chicken or fresh veggies. Cook the ramen noodles, but remember to drain almost all the water, leaving just a tiny bit for flavor. Then, prepare your chosen fillings. Now, let's start building your ramen burrito. Take 1 large tortilla and lay it flat on a clean surface. Next, spread a thin layer of your favorite sauce or the ramen seasoning packet contents directly onto the tortilla. Carefully place the cooked ramen noodles in the center, creating a neat line. Then, add your prepared fillings, such as cooked chicken or sautéed vegetables, directly on top of the noodles, leaving about 1 inch of space around the edges. Rolling your ramen burrito correctly is key to keeping everything together. First, fold the left and right sides of the tortilla inward, covering a portion of your fillings. Next, take the bottom edge of the tortilla and fold it up and tightly over the filling. Now, begin to roll the burrito from the bottom upwards, maintaining a firm and consistent pressure. This ensures all your delicious ingredients are securely enclosed, preventing any spills. For an extra layer of flavor and texture, you can optionally sear your rolled burrito. Heat a pan with a small amount of oil over medium heat. Place the burrito seam side down and cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes on each side, until it achieves a beautiful golden brown and crispy exterior. Finally, slice your ramen burrito in half diagonally for an appealing presentation and easier eating. Serve it immediately and enjoy your incredible creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.